Today, I'm going to show you how to create this awesome testimonial slider for your website. Completely for free. I've got 3 different designs to share with you. And the best part, you don't need Elementor Pro for this. And it's even responsive for mobile devices. First up is this stylized testimonial that covers the entire page with slides transitioning smoothly like this. Then I've got another variation where I've changed the colors, spacing, and overall aesthetic. Finally, I've created this basic testimonial slider where you can display 3 different testimonials at once. Don't worry, making this is super easy. All you need is the free version of Elementor and one simple free plugin. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from setting up the plugin, creating beautiful testimonials that smoothly slides across your page, and making them SEO friendly. Trust me, it's easier than you think. But before that, we need to install a free plugin that will give us access to the carousel widget in Elementor. Head over to your WordPress plugins library and look for premium add-ons for Elementor. Once you find it, install it and activate it. Now, let's create our testimonial sliders. But before that, whenever I'm doing some design work for clients, I make sure to install this free plugin Airlift because, okay, let me actually show you this. So that's my site speed before and that's after. It does a lot of optimizations automatically and keeps stuff fast. So you should definitely try this and I'll leave the link in the description below. First, we'll need to make templates in Elementor. So go to your WordPress dashboard and click Templates. Then click on Add New Template. Choose Page as your template type and give it a name. I'll call mine Home Testimonial 1. Now click on Create Template and this will open up the Elementor editor. This is where we'll design our first testimonial layout. Don't worry about making multiple testimonials yet. We'll create one template for each testimonial and then you can just duplicate the content and change it according to your preferences. Also, I'll leave all the JSON templates in the description below so you can just import them if you want to use the same testimonial design. Okay, let's go back to designing a testimonial template. First, I'll add a 2-column container and then change the left container width to 65% and the right container width to 35%. Also make sure to justify the content to center for both containers. Now I want to add a quote icon here. To add that, I'll drag an icon widget to the left container and then change the icon like this. Now let's change the color to red. So click on the Style tab and then change the primary color to red from here. Also, let's change the alignment to the left by clicking here. Alright, now let's add a heading widget here and change the text to this. I'll also set the HTML tag to P, which tags it as a paragraph. This makes it better optimized for SEO and you don't have to worry about bad SEO scores on Google. Now, let's go to Style and change the typography from here. Then, I'll change the size to this and set the line height to 35. Alright, I'll add a rating widget right below the text. Change the size and margins like this and done. Finally, we just need to add one more heading widget for the name and the designation. So I'll just add one more heading widget here, make some quick changes. Once done, it should look like this. Now let's work on the right container, which will hold a profile picture. So click here and choose this container. I'll choose an image from the media library and set the positioning to center. Now change the repeat to no repeat and display size to contain from here. Let's also drag another image container here and choose this image, and our right container is completed. Finally, let's make this responsive with mobile devices. So go to the top panel here and click on this mobile icon. As you can see, the testimonial is adjusted for a smaller screen size. I'll just make a few changes to the sizing of the text from here. And yeah, this looks good. You can customize it to your liking, but I'll just leave it at this. Now, all we need to do is add the carousel widget to our main page and add this testimonial as a slide. Also, I've created a few more testimonials similar to the first one just by duplicating the elements and changing the text and images. So, make sure you do that as well. Once done, go to your main page. I've got this page where I want to add the testimonials. So, let's scroll down and look for the carousel widget. This is the widget we'll be using. So, drag it here. Now change the content type to the repeater and click on add items. This is where we'll be choosing the templates we created earlier. So click here and choose the home testimonial 1 template. Then click here to duplicate the slide and change it to the home testimonial 2 template. Give it a second and there you go. The testimonial should show up like this. You can change the testimonials here and also use any of the designs that I showed you earlier. Okay, let's save the page and preview it. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Also, the testimonial carousel is responsive and it will look like this. Finally, you can change the designs using the JSON templates in the description below to get a look like this or even this. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. Click this video if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.